And the last one, the last exercise, okay, for rasgueo. We're going to do a combination of a 4-note rasgueo, ring, middle, index, and index going up, okay, ring, middle, index, and index up. Remember that when you go up with the index, you go up with all the fingers, or you only play with the index. It's just to get the fingers ready to restart the rasgueo, okay? Ring, middle, index, index, ring, middle, index, index, ring. I don't want you to do ring, middle, index, index, and then move up the fingers. They will move once that the index go up, okay? At the same time on the index. Ring, middle, index, index up. Ring, middle, index up. Middle, up. Ring, middle, index up. So the pattern is going to be 2 rasgueos and 1 golpe. Have a look. Rasgueo, first, second rasgueo, and index going up. And that, going down and up. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and okay, it's just the third beat is going to be down with the index and up. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Try to rest on the third. When you do the golpe, it's just when the hand get relaxed a little bit, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 1, 2. You know? Okay, let's go with the metronome again as the other exercises. And that's the last one, guys.